This professional scan tool from the company Altel. This one I have here is the Altel Maxicom MK808. This is a handheld tablet style scan tool running on Android operating system. As you can see, this tool comes in this very nice large storage case. Let me open this up and I'll show you what the tool looks like. Here is the scan tool. This is the charging adapter and USB cable. Here we have the data cable to connect to the vehicle. Quick reference guide and user manual. Here's a look at everything you get with this unit. Let me go over some of the spec on this unit. It's running Android 4.4.4. It has a Cortex A9 processor at 1.5 gigahertz. It has 32 gigabyte of internal memory. The display is a 7-inch LCD capacitive touchscreen with 1024 by 600 resolution. It has a USB 2.0 OTG port, micro SD memory card slot that supports up to 32 gigabyte. There's an ambient light sensor for auto brightness adjustment. The unit also has a built-in 3.7 volt, 3200 milliamp hour lithium polymer battery. When the battery is fully charged, it can operate this unit for 4.5 hours. Let's have a closer look at this Maxicom MK808. On the front, we have the 7-inch LCD capacitive touchscreen. Looking at the top, on the left side, we have the mini USB OTG connector. Next to it is a micro SD memory card slot. In the middle is a DB15 for connecting the data cable. Over here is a USB port. Next to it is a power button. Here's a look at the back. There's a flip-out stand that you can open up. You can rest this on a table, on a bench, or in the car. To power on the unit, press and hold the power button for a few seconds. Now there are three ways to power the scan tool. One is with the internal battery. Second, if you connect this unit to the car's OBD port or data port, it will power the unit up also. Thirdly, you can power this on using the AC adapter. Now if this is your first time turning on the unit, it will prompt you to connect to a Wi-Fi access point. Next, it will ask you to log in with your Altel ID and password. If you don't have an account already registered, go to their website and sign up for one. After that, it will ask you to register the product. Connect the scan tool to the OBD port that's typically found underneath the dash on the driver's side. With the data cable connected, you can press the power button on the unit to power it on. Once the unit boots up, it will automatically open this app called the MaxiCom.